Open plan concepts are all about creating a spacious, airy environment. So say goodbye to traditional separate rooms and embrace the open plan lifestyle. In this video, we explore stunning open plan living rooms, ideas that will transform your home. Join us as we delve into these open plan living spaces ideas, offering practical advice and inspiring solutions. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and you know what you think. So please don't forget to subscribe for more house tours and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design elements from the tour. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to share with you these creative design ideas for modern and contemporary home interiors with open space concepts. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's delve into the details of this stylish open space plan. From the image, the living area is adorned with modern furnishing and abundant natural light. A gray sofa with plush pillows and a throw blanket takes center stage. Adjacent to the sofa, there is an orange chair. A glass coffee table with sleek metal legs sits in front of the sofa. Large windows allow sunlight to flood the room, creating an inviting ambience. The dining area seamlessly blends with the living area. A rectangular dining table stands at the heart of the room, surrounded by 6 chairs. Above the dining table hangs an elegant black chandelier, adding a touch of sophistication. The open layout ensures easy flow between dining and living areas. The one-wall kitchen boasts modern cabinetry. Decorative elements like potted plants, books, and artwork enhance the overall aesthetic. This image, a modern open space living area. Here are some key features. The living area is furnished with a large, light colored sectional sofa, adorned with white and green pillows. A small wooden table with 2 chairs is placed against one wall, serving as a workspace. The dining area has a white rectangular table and 6 steel-colored chairs. The kitchen area features dark cabinetry, a marble backsplash, and modern appliances integrated into the design. There is an island counter with 3 bar chairs, providing additional seating. Above the island counter are pendant lights hanging from the ceiling, offering focused lighting. Large sliding glass doors flood the interior with natural light and provide access to an outdoor patio. A potted plant near the sliding doors adds a touch of greenery to the interior. Let's have a look now at a modern open space plan that seamlessly integrates a living room with a dining area. Here are some key features. The living room is characterized by a large, light gray L-shaped sofa adorned with pattern and plain cushions. A stylish green chair with wooden legs is positioned near the window, paired with a dark round ottoman. A round coffee table sits on an elegant grey rug in front of the sofa. An artistic black chandelier hangs from the white ceiling, adding a contemporary touch to the room. Large windows allow ample natural light to illuminate the space, enhancing the room's airy and spacious feel. In the additioning dining kitchen area, there is a modern kitchen counter with dark surfaces and hanging light. 6 grey upholstered chairs surround the dining table, where a vase of flowers is placed. modern, well-lit open space plan that combines the kitchen and dining area seamlessly. Here are some key features. The room is spacious and bright with natural light flowing in through large windows. A modern L-shaped kitchen with wooden cabinetry, integrated appliances including a double-door refrigerator, oven and sink. Above the round dining table hangs an artistic white pendant light, illuminating the space below. 4 mid-century modern chairs, an elegant vase sits atop it as decor. In the foreground to the left is a stylish lounge chair with brown upholstery, accompanied by a small round table holding decorative items. A fluffy white rug lies on the floor, adding textures and warmth to the room. To the right of this scene stands an indoor green plant, adding life and vibrancy to the space. Another modern and stylish open space plan that seamlessly integrates the living room and kitchen, a beautiful and functional design that makes the most of the available space. The living area is spacious with dark wooden flooring and white walls, creating a contrast. Large, comfortable white sofa with patterned cushions is placed adjacent to the wall. In front of the sofa, there is a circular rug with a wave pattern and a small wooden table. 2 blue chairs and 2 patterned chairs around the white dining table with an artistic golden bowl in the center. Above the dining table hangs a large black pendant light. Artistic wall paintings adorn the walls, adding pops of color to the space. The kitchen area is equipped with modern amenities. It has dark cabinets, countertops, and shelves holding various items, including plants. Dear friends, thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the world of open plan concept ideas for your living spaces. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer elegance and functionality that open plan design brings to our homes. Whether you are a minimalist enthusiast or a lover of vibrant aesthetics, these concepts have something for everyone. Remember, it's not just about tearing down walls, it's about creating seamless transitions between your kitchen, dining area, and living room. A flow of natural light, the harmonious blend of textures, and the strategic placement of furniture. It all contributes to the magic of open plan living. These open plan concept ideas are more than just trends. They are a lifestyle. So go ahead, reimagine your living spaces, break down those walls, and let the light flow in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next design adventure. Until then, stay inspired, stay creative, and keep those living spaces wide open. Bye for now.